Go First's lessors are unhappy with the National Company Law Tribunal's (NCLT) decision to admit the airline's voluntary insolvency plea, which granted protection to its assets under a moratorium. Following the decision, the world's second-largest aircraft lessor, SMBC Aviation Capital, warned that India's decision to block leasing firms from reclaiming Go First planes will jolt the market and spark a confidence crisis, as per legal papers seen by news agency Reuters. Not just SMBC, but firms such as Jackson Square Aviation and Bank of China Aviation also raised alarm after the NCLT admitted Go First's insolvency plea, giving the airline a lifeline to revive itself. The decision also bars lessors from repossessing planes. Professional. While a surge in traffic in India, the world's third biggest aviation market in the world, led to record jet orders, the failure of two major airlines, Kingfisher Airlines in 2012 and Jet Airways in 2019, have made lessors apprehensive about the market. Ahead of another hearing on Friday, SMBC told the tribunal that lessors and international aircraft owners see India as a risky jurisdiction for aircraft leasing, after the failures of Jet and Kingfisher. At the hearing, SMBC would be looking at quashing Go First's bankruptcy protection. The admission of the petition, seeking protection, will further shake confidence of the international aviation industry, SMBC added in its filing to the tribunal. SMBC also called Go First's voluntary insolvency filing a smokescreen to defraud creditors and lessors. The NCLT's decision to offer protection to Go First under a moratorium could lead to higher costs for other Indian carriers, who may have to shell out higher deposits for leased planes or pay more monthly rent. Leasing deposits and monthly rents are already higher than in many countries in India, following the departure of Kingfisher and Jet Airways. The situation could also book risk premiums for Indigo, which is the country's largest carrier in terms of market volume. Air India, which recently started financing for its 470 plane order worth tens of billions of dollars, also faces a similar risk. A leasing industry source who spoke to news agency Reuters said risk premiums would rise for the Indian market, regardless of how strong any airline performs. The Go First bankruptcy decision has also made lessors nervous about another financially troubled airline, SpiceJet. While SpiceJet said it has no plans of filing for insolvency, lessors are worried that a similar move by the airline could spoil their prospects of repossessing planes. It may be noted that Go First filed an involuntary insolvency plea last week, citing financial troubles triggered by faulty Pratt & Whitney engines. NCLT on Wednesday admitted the plea, giving the troubled airline a lifeline to revive itself.